In this video, I will show you how to check post views on Instagram. So the first thing you have to do is to look for a post you have. And as you know it, you will be able to see the likes and the comments on your post, but you won't be able to see the analytics or the views of your post. So in order to see that, you just have to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and then look for accounts type and tools as you scroll down, and then tap on switch to professional account. And you just have to click continue and fill up some information. And then tap on creator or business. So I just choose creator. And then that's it. You're all set. And if you tap on the post you have, you will be able to tap on the view insight. And you will see the overview, the reach, impressions, engagements, and post interactions your post has. So that's it.